Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this is one of the most sought after questions that we have been asked by a lot of our visitors on YouTube. Is Google Ads worth for a plumbing business? The answer to this is absolutely yes. So please stay with us in this video and we will explain what are all the things that we have done to control the CPC and to lower the CPA for this kind of competitive market. So now we have started working with a lot of clients in the similar field. In one of our client, we can take that as a case study. We have recently started working with a client from Philadelphia in US. What we have seen was the client had a very huge budget of $20,000. So now when we have done the audit of their Google AdWords account, what we have seen was the cost per click for the search campaign was ranging from $50 to $75, and in some cities it was at $100 as well. So now they also have the call only campaigns running for the same keywords that they were running the search ads for. For the call only campaign, what we have seen was, because of the competition in that local market, the cost per click was sometimes ranging between $150 to $200, and you can imagine those kind of CPCs just for a click. When we have seen their competitive matrix stats, we have seen that the client still has search loss impression share due to rank of almost 35%. So now if you know about these things, you should see the fact that with a cost per click of $150 to $200 and we still have 35% search loss impression share due to rank, now you can imagine Google still want us to bid higher so that we can have all the search impression share that we can get. So now with our kind of services, we know what strategies that we need to follow. The client was very worried that on some day they were spending around $1,000 in one day, but they didn't get a single conversion at all. So the client came to us, we have given them the plan of action, and we have started working on the Google Ads account to control the spend from the non-converting areas and get the spend up from the converting one. The basic strategy that we have used is we have started using the new type of campaign, and by doing that we have been able to target specific theme of keywords only. So when we target those specific theme of keyword, we ran two type of campaign. One is for the first half of the day, second is for the second half of the day. We have seen that in their earlier campaign, the spend was being done or dusted. We can say that all the spend was being spent in the first half. They hardly get any spend for the second half. But with our strategy, what we have seen was the campaign which we were running for the second half, that was running far much better. With the new type of campaign, we have been able to lower the CPC from $50 or $75 to only $5 to $10. So now, as you can see, by only working on reducing the CPC and only running the ads during the specified time of the day, we have been able to get some more clicks within the same spend. And when we get some more clicks within the same spend, that means some more chances of getting the conversions within the same spend. So now when we have worked on reducing the CPC, the conversion rate stays the same. We have seen was the search campaign was converting at a conversion rate of 10% to 15%, and with the new type of campaign, the conversion rate still stays the same. We have been able to see the search term was 100% relevant to our business. So now this is a win-win strategy for our client. The client was very happy with these kind of results. The client even wanted us to double the budget, but we are working on increasing the budget responsibly so that we don't throw the money just like for the sake of throwing the money. We are increasing the budget gradually and responsibly. So now client wanted us to use some other platforms like Facebook, and then we have a TikTok ads, and then we have the Microsoft ads as well. So now on the Facebook side of things, we have started with a small campaign. We have seen there was some type of campaign that can actually bring in the results, but we have explained it to the client that between Google and Facebook, Google is still the best platform, because on Google we target the visitor based upon their needs. On Facebook we target the visitor based upon the interests. But as the client wanted us to go for the Facebook as well, we have started a new campaign. The campaign started to do somewhat well for the first week. So in the coming videos, we will definitely let you know how the Facebook campaign goes. So if you have a similar business, or if you are seeing high CPCs for your Google Ads account for your plumbing businesses, there is a phone number in the top right corner. So it's a WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us on that phone number. We should be able to get back to you as soon as possible, or we can say instantly. That way we can also work with you to lower your CPC, bring you better results within the same spend.